Hey, what's up YouTubers? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be showing you how to clean out a sprinkler head. This one is a Rainbird 1800. It looks like actually there's like a split in the water. There's like some water not coming out in a certain part of it. So what I'm going to do, I'll just show you the original, what it looks like right now. And I'm just going to pull off the ring. And then you're going to go ahead and use a little flathead screwdriver, pop it right under here. Okay, so I'm actually going to need two hands to do this. So right now you'll see that I've lifted it just a little bit so you can see that. And give me just 1 second here. All right, and we're back. So I set the camera up so that you can actually see what I'm going to do, and I got to use my two hands here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop this little flathead screwdriver under this piece here, lift it up, right? I'm going to give it a little turn, lefty-loosey, and it comes right off. You'll see that right there. And then you're going to see that there's like a little filter here. And you can check to see if there's anything stuck in there, go wash it out, whatever you need to do. But this one looks pretty clean. Sometimes something gets stuck in the little output gap right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying my best here. But there was a little rock in here, so I actually cleared that out. And once you clean that out, clean out the filter, make sure this little gap is clear, twist it back on, and you're all set. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day.